to Walkie Talkie channel.
I'm Lyle.
And
Here is Pim.
and he is Noon and he is Min. And what are we going to do today?
So today we are going to show you guys what we do in a day.
Yeah, let's see.
Hey guys, I'm Today I will show you guys what I do in a day. So now I'm going to Kongen Airport like today and tomorrow, also Saturday and Sunday I don't have any classes. So I decided to come back to my hometown. So this is the reason why I am going to Kongen Airport. And when I've arrived at Kongen Airport, I will take an airplane to Dongmueang Airport, and after that I will meet my family and we will have dinner together and I will show you guys. So now I'm arrived at Kongen Airport and now I'm waiting for the time to go to Dongmueang Airport. So when I arrive at Dongmueang Airport, I will show you guys what will happen next. Now I'm arrived at Dongmueang Airport and waiting for my mom to pick me up, and after that I will go to meet our family like my aunt, my brother, my cousin, like that we will have dinner together. Now I'm arrived at Fashion Island. Fashion Island is a department store. So now I'm finding my aunt. So she said she is around here, but I cannot find. Oh, I saw her already, and we will go to eat something. So now I'm in the front of Sen Restaurant. So this is the restaurant that we decided to eat. So Sen Restaurant is a Japanese food, and now we are waiting for my sister, and here is my brother, and here is my mom. Yeah, and after that I will show you guys what I have for dinner. Now we are in the restaurant already. So this is the food that we ordered, like this, and this is my family.
Hi Sky and Mile. For this quick video, I will tell you guys what I do in a day. Firstly, today is very busy for me, so I apologize that I didn't take any video for you guys, but I will tell you what I do in a day. Let's go. Hi, today is my holiday that I will go back to my home, and I arrived at my home right now. Yay. And when I go back to my home, I have a lot of things to do, such as clean my room. I spend time about 2 or 3 hours and make everything is clean. Yes, and after that I bring my mom to go to shopping about 3 hours. It's very long. And after that I got a new haircut for New Year's, get new look. Yes, that's it for today. It's not much to do, but everything is spent too much time, like a 3 or 4 hours, like that.
Hi guys, today we start day with my parents. Today we are going to have breakfast. No, not breakfast, my lunch. Let's see in the restaurant.
Now I'm waiting for food and gonna have breakfast with my parents.
I will show you guys. Here is Phetburi province. This is, I don't know how to call. There is have something like not house, like temple above of mountain. Here.
him. So today I'm going to vlog to show you guys that now I'm going to Bangkok by train. Yay, let's go with my friends. Let's go. So now I'm in the train and I'm on the way to Bangkok, and in the train is quite loud and I could not vlog much, but I will take as much as I can and I will show you what they're gonna sell if the train is stopped in train station.
Let's see what I do in a day. Now we will go to the temple. Nothing to do today outside the quietness at the temple. There was good weather when I was kids. I used to play here regularly because it's a close to house. Walk about 100 meters to reach the temple. I'm going to house. This is my house. This is I buy 50 baht. I guess it's a search. This is ice cream my roll.
That's it for today, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.